Hello and welcome back to another video. Now for the past few days I've been noticing a slow leak in the right front tire. I can see this on the Tesla screen. It shows you the pressure in each tire using the TPMS sensors. I've pumped the tire up and I still saw the leak, or I could still see the pressure going down, and I decided to use one of these tire fixing kits to try and plug the hole because of the position of where the nail is in the tire. You'll see later on in the video it's right in the middle, so I thought it is pretty safe to use one of these tire repair kits. And I'm pretty comfortable using these. I have used them in the past and I have run the tire with one of these plugs in for around 30,000 miles with no issues. Plus the tires on the Tesla are less than a year old and I didn't want to have to change a tire just for a nail in the middle of the tire. So as you can see here, it's pretty visible where it is. It's in the middle of the tire, so I think it's going to be a pretty easy repair. Now, when I pushed this in, it went in a bit more than I wanted. I wish it didn't go in that much, but you can still see the string is kind of poking out. It just means there's a long bit of string inside the tire. Usually you just push it in a bit and then cut the rest off. But I should have used this tool to make the hole a bit bigger. So then this one would have gone in a little bit easier and not just kind of, once it went past this wide bit, it just kind of shot in. So it's probably a bit user error, but I'm still happy. I can see the string here. It's all the way through. This is the thickest part of the tire. It's right in the middle of the tire, so I'm not too concerned about, having issues with the tire. I think if it was somewhere here, then most tire shops would say they would not recommend repairing it here. So we'll see. I didn't pump it up fully. I've only pumped 1.5 psi so far. I'm gonna leave it here for a bit. I spray it. There is no bubbles forming. I'll put the wheel back on and then I'll pump it to the right pressure once it's on the car. Make sure you don't forget this under the car. I'm just gonna torque the wheel back on. Now Google says it's 175 Newton meters, which feels a bit on the high end, but I'm gonna do that anyway. Just had a short drive around the block, just checking again that there's no leaks. seems to be okay. It's at the right pressure. It's around 3 bars, so I'm pretty comfortable with this repair.